Hey, I want to show you a Southwest Airlines trick that I use all the time to get money back on flights. It's super easy. Let's take a look. So this is a flight that I have already booked on Southwest November 18th to the 21st, and we are keeping the exact same flight here. So this is what we originally paid. Now, I saw that Southwest was having a sale. So I go into my Southwest account online to find my reservation and click on change flight. Even though we are not changing anything about the itinerary, we click change, not cancel. Okay, so this is showing me the first leg of the itinerary. It's a $1 difference. All right, however, our second flight is $47 cheaper now. So I can review everything. It's the exact same itinerary as before, and there are no change fees with Southwest. So we will get a credit of $47 each to use on any future Southwest flight. Super easy, so it's definitely worth checking any Southwest bookings that you've made whenever they have a sale to see if you can get some money back.